on guys, MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video. And today's cocktail guys, it's the Indian summer. It's late September, so it's the perfect time for an Indian cocktail. And today's one is the Indian summer. Because as you can see guys, we've finally reached the 500. We've absolutely smashed my target for the year. And I cannot thank you guys enough for helping me get there. And especially my brothers, it's helped push this channel. But I thought it was ambitious at the start of the year for 500. I didn't think we'd get there because it was a target. Expecting probably about 400. So to smash it this early as well is absolutely incredible. As we're now halfway towards the big 1K. So I will show you guys the Indian summer. So let's get straight into it. So get your shaker and put some ice in, which we've already done. The first ingredient to go in guys is 60ml or 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Next is 60ml or 2 ounces of Kahlua. You can use CHEEERRRSSS if you've got that. But I certainly do love my Kahlua, especially with Black Russian, as it is one of my favourite cocktails. Next is 30ml or 1 ounce of vodka. We're using the Russian standard. Last but not least is 30ml or 1 ounce of gin. We're using the Beefeater one. Put your lid on and now give it a good hard shake, 8 to 10 seconds, get nice and chilled. Right, get your glass. We're using a coupe glass. Give it a bang to separate. There we go. And now straight into your glass. Right, as you can see guys, it's got a nice foamy head to it. Because that's the pineapple juice, it gives it a nice quality head to it. Because a foamy head, not to be, well you know what. But for the Indian summer, to garnish it now with a nice cocktail umbrella. There we go, one Indian summer. And that guys is how I made the Indian summer. How does it taste? It's an interesting taste that. Because if you love espresso or coffee based liqueurs like Kahlua, you will love it. Because I'm a big fan of Black Russian, I do like my coffee based liqueurs like Kahlua and CHEEERRRSSS. To me it's quite nice, quite an interesting taste really. Especially with the pineapple juice mixing with the coffee liqueurs, because it has the strongest taste that I can taste, the Kahlua in it. Certainly quite drinkable. Because it's a nice cocktail, because it's not my favourite in the world, but it is quite a nice cocktail, would recommend it. But only if you like Kahlua like that, that's my recommendation with it. It's certainly an interesting taste with the pineapple juice and the Kahlua mixed together. And the back of it, because I can taste the vodka and gin like that in the back. So it's quite an interesting one. But that guys is the Indian summer cocktail. I hope you enjoyed this cocktail, the Indian summer. As again, I can't thank you enough for reaching 500, so thank you again for that, as you've been superb. But don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this. As for the 500 sub special, I do have a special video coming up, which will be 5 Halloween cocktails you must try for Halloween. And I will see you guys for the next cocktail. Cheers.